one of the best ways to always rank in cash is through CPA marketing. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a CPA money making method step by step for you. And you're not going to need to be a genius with any skills or experience. You're not going to have to invest anything. It's completely free. All you need to do is grab your device, make sure your internet connection is working, and then pay close attention to the money making instructions that I'm going to be showing you guys today. And you're going to be earning $5 unlimitedly every minute on complete autopilot. So if you guys know exactly what I'm talking about, then make sure that you hover your mouse on. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. So the first website that you're going to want to go on to is, of course, a CPA marketplace, and you can go for whatever one that you want, but I would highly recommend offervault.com. Now, for those of you who don't know what a CPA marketplace is and the difference is between websites like OfferVault and ClickBank OfferVault, is that a CPA marketplace, while ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace, with a CPA marketplace you can find different offers to promote that just require signups for you to get paid. But with an affiliate marketplace like ClickBank, you're going to need people to actually make a purchase in order for you to get paid more. Specifically with CPA marketplaces, all you need for people to do is sign up to a website, or in certain cases install apps, and that's it, and you're gonna get paid. And I think that CPA marketing is better for beginners because it is much easier to get people to just sign up for something than have them actually buy something and pay. And that is what makes the strategy super easy and simple and straightforward. And with that explanation cleared out, what I want you to do now is go on over to either OfferVault or another CPA marketplace and then sign up for completely free of charge. And to sign up on OfferVault, all you have to do is click on the register button right here, and then you're going to type in a bunch of very basic information. As is always the case, I won't go over the actual sign up process because it's very self-explanatory and direct. Instead, I want you to focus on the next step, which is finding what you want to promote. And here, what matters is that you find some offer that a lot of people is interested in, and you should select an offer that would actually help people. That way you can help more people clicking on your link and signing up if what you're promoting is going to be beneficial to someone. Then the chances of them signing up will obviously be up to the skies, making you even more money as a result. So this is very important. In case you're a bit lost and you really have no idea what offer to look up or what is an amazing, fantastic offer, I've always recommended in the past that you can promote and that would benefit people is a gift card giveaway. So just type in gift card in the search box here, and you're going to find a lot of these. And by the way, it doesn't even matter what gift card or how much money it can make someone. All that matters is that it's a gift card giveaway, since there's no better benefit for people to get out of your offer than money. So promoting something like this is sure to get you many more clicks than most of their offers out there. So what you want to do is find an offer that's going to pay you the most money, or offers that gift card that pays the most, which could get even more people to sign up, and you want to open that offer in particular. Next, you want to grab the affiliate link. To do that, you're going to click on run offer right over here, and this part is going to be annoying a little bit, but for some reason, in order to grab the affiliate link, you're going to have to sign up to that external website that's running in the background. So just grab your affiliate link there, sign up, but it shouldn't take you long really. So that's really all you need to do. Now, with all that done and all that out of the way, all you need to do is grab your affiliate link because you already have it, and then prepare that for the next step, which is what we're going to be doing to actually drive traffic into our link. If you guys want to make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below. You'll be pleasantly surprised with what we have in store for you there. So make sure that you do that. Also, I want you guys to comment down below where you guys live, because I love reading your comments and knowing where y'all are from. And also tell me about what devices you guys use, whether you're an Android user or an iOS user, because I would love to know. So make sure you comment that down below before continuing on, and let's get back into it. Like I said, now you have that affiliate link, and we are going to go on to the next step, which is to drive traffic to it. And I have a way for you to do so, and it's going to surprise some of you that I'm sure you've never seen before. So let's get started. Your very first step now would sign up to a website that's very important, this strategy, and it's called lumen5.com. You're going to see that this website is all about basically an AI bot that's going to create videos for you, so don't worry. You won't be uploading any videos on YouTube. And before we move forward, okay, we have to remember that this platform is a free website, of course, but it does have some additional pricing plans which you might be interested in if you can afford it. And if you can't afford it, I would definitely recommend getting a plan. But as you can see, they also have a free option right here, so you can most definitely sign up to the website without having to invest any money, which is what I want you guys to do right now. Just click on the sign up button in the upper right corner and type in all of your info as usual. When you log into your new account on the website, this is what everything is going to look like. Now you're going to be able to create a video with this website, and all you really need for that is a script. So your next step from here is to get a script. And I know this is going to be a bit confusing, but just stay with me. I'm going to show you how this works. I promise I'm going to find the script for your new video. Just need to find articles in the same category is the offer you're promoting in my particular. For example, I went for an offer that pays people money, so the niche that I would want to focus on would be around business, making money online or something like that. But this could differ for some of you, and your next step is to open up a bunch of articles. Just go through them and choose one that you want to use, that you think is the best. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to open up this one right here. Now that you've found the article, your next step is to rewrite it. And since we cannot use a script over on Lumen 5 just yet, you're going to do that automatically without putting in the boring work or hard work. You can just use this tool called paraphraser.io. You're just going to paste bits of the article into this box, and it's then going to rewrite them for you within seconds. And you're going to have a script ready just like that you can use over Lumen 5 to create your new video. And so now just go back to this website, paste your script in this box, and the site is going to give you a for you video that you're going to want to invest a bit of time into customizing. And this is going to take you some time, but you do want to make sure you don't get lazy. Make sure that your video is as good as you can possibly make it. The better the video, the more money you're going to be able to make. When you're done creating your new video, the next step is to sign up to 2 websites that we're actually going to be using as traffic sources to make even more money online. If you're appreciating today's video and really taking it all in, make sure that you like and subscribe before going any further into the video. We would appreciate it a lot. You can also show your love by hitting the notification bell so you'll always be updated when it comes to our YouTube channel, and you won't regret it, and that we can promise you. And keep watching because we're almost done. Now, the first website is called odyssey.com and the second one is called rumble.com. And as you can see by the looks of these platforms, they're very similar to YouTube. The huge difference is all the reason why you want to use them over YouTube is that they're not as saturated as YouTube. You have millions of creators that you have to compete with, which makes growing on the platform super difficult. So your new video on YouTube will hardly get any views, but on these 2 websites, it has the potential to actually get big numbers. In case you think these 2 sites aren't popular, you'd go on over to SimilarWeb and you can check those 2 websites, and you'll see that it's in the millions for the visits. So they do definitely get a large number of visits, but the number of creators is pretty low, and that makes them ideal and perfect for beginners. So like I said, what you now have to do is simply upload your video on here, and then what you have to do is leave the CPA link in the description box that got you all the way back in the beginning. And I think you can now see how and why this will make you money in my example. Imagine someone wants to make money online watching my videos, and they see I have a gift card giveaway in the description. There's a huge chance that they will want to sign up to the giveaway and make me money. And for this reason, this method has huge potential. You can get paid big time. Once your video is live on the website, you won't have to do anything new. You can basically repeat the same thing over and over again, and that is basically. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.